As summer surrenders to autumn, nature's transformation captivates us. The landscape bursts with fiery reds, oranges and golds. Trees shed their green leaves, dressing the world in vibrant hues. If you crave stunning autumn vistas, you're in for a treat. Join us as we explore 10 mesmerizing global destinations showcasing the splendor of fall. Kyoto, Japan is enchanting year-round, but autumn reveals its most stunning side. Witness the fiery foliage around Arashiyama Bamboo Grove and the gardens of Kinkakuji. The vibrant colors contrast with historic temples, creating a scene right out of a painting. Next, we take you to Vermont, USA. Known as the Green Mountain State, it transforms into a patchwork of colorful leaves. Scenic drives along Route 100 or the Appalachian Gap provide surreal views. Cozy towns like Stowe and Woodstock complete this picturesque autumn experience. Now let's venture to Patagonia, straddling Argentina and Chile. Here, autumn contrasts with the approaching spring, creating an extraordinary landscape. The Andes Mountains and bright red firebush shrubs paint a mesmerizing panorama, making your journey unforgettable. In Tuscany, Italy, rolling hills and vineyards turn dramatic with fall hues. The grapevines showcase shades of red, gold and purple. Enjoying a glass of Chianti amidst this stunning backdrop is an experience you won't forget. The Scottish Highlands offer rugged yet majestic autumn panoramas. The heather-covered hills and deep blue lochs enhance the vibrant foliage. Don't miss the fairy pools on the Isle of Skye, a magical sight during the fall. Travel to the Bavarian Alps in Germany, where charming villages and alpine landscapes beckon. The dense forests become a tapestry of gold and crimson. Combine this scenery with hearty Bavarian cuisine for a fall vacation that feels like a dream. Next, explore the Pyrenees Mountains between France and Spain. This stunning region offers captivating fall displays. The changing colours of beech and oak trees soften its rugged terrain. Hike through picturesque trails and witness the breathtaking Cirque de Gavarnie. On the Blue Ridge Parkway in the USA, fall transforms the drive into a vibrant colour tunnel. This scenic route offers jaw-dropping views of rolling hills in fiery leaves. Take a moment at a scenic overlook or hike along its many trails for a fall getaway. Banff National Park in Canada is a year-round wonder. In autumn, turquoise lakes like Lake Louise and Moraine Lake stand out against golden larch trees. The dazzling reflections and lively wildlife create an enchanting fall scene. Lastly, visit Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is breathtaking during fall. 16 terraced lakes surrounded by brilliant red and yellow forests create a stunning landscape. Wooden walkways allow nature lovers to immerse in this enchanting area. As we celebrate the beauty of autumn, remember these 10 captivating destinations. Each showcases nature's artistry and invites you to experience the splendor of the season. Don't miss your chance to immerse yourself in these breathtaking vistas this fall. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love it if you like and subscribe. Thank you.